Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I would like to talk about how to fix verification code is not working on your iPhone. So let me directly get into the step. The first step is all about you have to try this particular step which help with all the users. You have to try turn on airplane mode. Just go over here at the top and you have to turn on the airplane mode and you have to wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, turn off the airplane mode and you have to check whether you are able to receive the verification code or not. After trying with this, if the issue is still there, you can try the second and third step. Second step is all about you have to do a restart on your phone. So to do this, just go over here at the top and you can see there is an icon. You have to just press over here like this. And what you need to do is slide to power it off. And afterwards, once the slide to power it off is done, you have to turn on your phone once again. And afterwards, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably that's going to help you guys out. If the issue is still there, don't get panicked. We have one more step. That is all about we have to reset the network settings. So to do this, just go over here in the settings. Now from here, scroll down, go to the general, scroll down once again, and go over here at the transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on the reset once again. There is an option called reset network settings. So this will not be remove any kind of data. It will be just bringing a fresh start for all the networks. So you have to try it, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. Bye.